Come on, Chip Chip. Come here, Chip Chip. Where'd you go, man? Oh, there you are. Hi, Chippy. What are you doing, buddy? Come here. Want some peanuts? Huh? Hero, what are you doing? What are you doing out here? Here, come on. That's kind of strange. Come on, Hero. Want this one? How about this one? That better? Want another one? Guess not. Hi, Hero. Yeah. Yeah. She's going back to where she normally is. That's really strange. What the heck? Here, I mean, she was way out there in the yard, in the hole. So maybe she's making a den out there, a little farther away from little boy. Huh? Don't know. Interesting. Remote's not working. Probably needs a battery.